Okay, good late afternoon, everyone. Mike V from TradeGATEHub, Power Hour. One day does not make a reversal. Here's the screen. All right, remember that. Okay, Meta. It's really Bitcoin. It's coin. It's having the reversal at the moment with volume. A lot of these stocks have volumes and bars. Sound had earnings. A couple of low Floridas giving it back. Planeteer giving it back. Planeteer. A lot of earnings tonight by China. Golds still. Microsoft hanging there. Apple. SE. Good fade on the open. Amazon's the one that's holding up the most. Semis are the ones. Now let's go over a couple of things here. Let's look at AMD. Let's look at MU. Let's look at ON Semiconductor. But let's look at other stocks like a Twilo. Now, are semis more likely to bounce and take Twilight a little higher or something like that, or do they reverse? Astro Gumbo, welcome back. It's a gentleman. Keep it that way. Okay, let's go here. SCDG. What's this? This piker's stepping in and trying to buy some Solar Edge. A director stepping in for 2 bones. SCDG. This guy's nuts. He's going down with the trip. With the ship. There's the chart on the SCDG daily, by the way. Absolutely. There's the move, by the way, on the director purchasing some shares. So do you want any EMPH down here? Absolutely. Just EMPH. There's the long term on EMPH. You want to try to catch it? Stock was freaking forget about a year ago. Let's go to weekly. I mean, that's not even splitting. That's legit. You want to try to get that one? There's EMPH if you think that the guy's stepping in and buying SCDG. Let's look at this right now. Let's look at call volume. Let's go what's most important. All right, here it is. Small cap seeing program selling this afternoon. Credit spreads not helping. Poor overall session. It started with the semis being down the most. Disney has earnings tonight. Be careful. Boeing, new lows. I shorted SPR, the supplier maker. SPR. Matter of fact, I'll short more SPR. Only has 1,200 shares. I'll at least offer it out. I'll short 1,200. SPR. It's a chicken short. You know, it goes with Boeing. They're a Boeing supplier. What am I going to do? Chart looks horrible anyway. All right, Disney has earnings. Could work. Could very much work. Tesla. Shopify still going. Some working and some not. Docs. Shopify hanging in there after earnings. Docs is another one. I shorted both. Now, why didn't I hold Docs? And I literally had the top of them. Well, maybe like it's 61.40. Could have made $9 on it. No, but I'm still in some Twilo short. You know, I was Lemonade hanging in there. Reddit hanging in there was up more. The one that's holding in there is Microsoft. CRW, D-Dog, ZS, I think at one point. You know, these stocks are pulling back a little bit after nice runs with volume. Square, what are you going to do? I'm short that too. Square, 3 days. Maybe crypto related and all that has things to do with it. Who cares? It's just an excuse. 3 days, 69 to $18, if you will. IWM bearish. I'll take some questions here. You listen, guys. You know, the problem I'm stuck in some things is here. This is the issue. Still the issue. It tells me that there's profit taking and not a reversal. Is the VIX. Market's pulling back. The VIX is like in a $40 entity. Two ticks off the low. I'm shocked even stocks are making the move they are with the VIX like that. Where are we? What time is it? 3:10. I really am. Yes, Joe, you know what I mean. Live questions. Where's Jeff Mormon? Where's Jeff? Okay. Right here. Let's go to this. What are they pulling in? Quickly. You. Percent losers in the last 60 minutes with volume. So coin in the last 60 minutes came in on 25%, 20% of its volume. It's a lot. Pulling down 4% in 60 minutes. These are the losers, all Bitcoin related, if you will. And some NNE was up nicely, and some solars. Nuclear. GME was up nicely. 28 GME was today. Believe that? All right, what's going up? Is it not the VIX? Let's look at percent gainers in 16 minutes. They're hanging on to some oils. SEDG, we brought it up. Short Bitcoin. Hey, oil, listen, I bought something to fund today. You're going to like it. You're going to like it. You have to like it. If you don't like it, then you have to put your egos EOG. All right. Doesn't mean I'm going to walk away and think that I got it. And I'm not going to be prone to undulations because we thought we had Exxon some while back, right? And then it pulled this down here. EOG. Earnings, everything's out. How's our CRK? Beautiful. SU, come in. SU. Earnings. Come on, Mick, give it to me. SU at 1 point. SU's up today, trust me. SU opened high. All right, let's go to TradeGATEHub, see what we have earnings. The SEDG Solar Ridge guys stepped in. Insiders are usually very early if they write it all, especially trying to catch the night. There's a turnaround story. What does he know? Well, it already had its chance to, it already squeezed SEDG. This was a squeeze here from 15 to freaking, well, maybe not. SEDG, it's going to take a while. It's almost like buying Macy's or VFC. Actually, VFC. All right, so let's look at the earnings tonight. SEDG. Before the open. All right, Disney. Lunar. JD. Advanced Auto Parts. I'm in that, and I'm taking it into earnings. I'm actually upping it. Bought it 2 days ago. Right here. Right through the, I did fact. Give me fact. Yeah, I'm in AAP. I'll take my chance. I'll take my chance into numbers. That's something I want to buy in a dip, but I'm socking away. That's one of those things that can rip your face off at the end of the year. Tax selling's finished in that freaking thing. Trust me. Get in it. AAP, Advanced Auto Parts, although those box retailers are not doing anything good, man. That Kohl's on the roof. AAP, NetEase, the other China, SBH, Sally's Beauty Supply. The Elf had a nice bounce. Sally's been hanging in there. It's not a sexy name. Elf. Warren is going to double down on Alt at some time. SBH, Sally's Beauty Supply. Not the sexiest thing, but I like these type of things. This is one of the things that opens down like 20% and you get, it's almost binary, but I try to be a wise guy that way. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That is a nasty bar on coin, by the way. Who else has earnings? I'm open to suggestions. I'll go back to YouTube in a second. If it'd be very easier if you guys could post on TradeGATEHub, so I have to go past everything. The VIX. Still, there you go. Here's Jesus. VIX right in near the low. It's incredible. Yeah, the market just bounced. It should bounce. Here bounced. Rocket Labs, Carvana. How about this one? Kava. You never have it when you want it. Kava pulled back 29. High the day on Kava. A dip in the rip, 172 to 142. What's 146? What is that? $28, $26? That's a bar. I'm not saying it's a take. It's got range, price action, and volume. Oh, God help me. See, that VIX never went down, man. They bounced the freaking market. I probably came back a decent chunk of P&L on the short side, but some nasty bars. I'll keep going. They probably went into oils. I'll look in percent movers in a second. Power hour. What time is it? This is too long for power hour. All right, let's finish. What is this? Before the open? How about after the close? Here we go. Surf's up. Cisco. HP. I'm not talking about Hewlett Packard. That's the thin oil driller. You want to talk about oil drillers? Look at this guy. This is the twilight of the group. BKR, the old Baker Hughes. Fact. For anybody that's interested. Halliburton acting well after earnings, bought more today in the fund. Not a barn burner. Did buy it in the fund. I'm writing stuff. I'm like coach now. I'm getting squiggly lines. I'm going too fast. It's like my day trading days. What is this? Halliburton. Okay. What is this shit? I've done worse. Slob, laggard. All right. Anyway. Cisco, NU, DLO. Not interested. All that is taking calls. And then the hot stock. Hot stock with earnings after the close. Have it on your screen, no matter. How do I get this off there? Delete all indicators. Delete all lines and studies. These squiggly lines are on all my charts. This is no freaking good. Delete all indicators. Oh, that's no good. I got brown stuff on. Look at this. Wait there. How can I look at my charts knowing this is all here? Why a little bullish? Uh-oh. Why not? Somebody's pounding the ball in Twilo. What a dick. TGTX, stock of the day takeover. In fact, had it the other time. I was telling Surf's up. Stock the other day printed 25. And I sold it at 31. 35. Remember to take partial profits. Thanks, Surf's up. Thanks for the action. All right, that's it. Any questions on YouTube? What bounced? Percent gainers in the last 15 minutes on that bounce. Oh, big bounce. All Bitcoin. SEDG did bounce. BITX bounced $2 freaking. Boy, I gave a lot away. BioNQ bounced. Lunar. TGTX coin. Nice $8 bounce. Mara, 40 cents. Run, you bitch. Percent losers in 15 minutes. What didn't bounce? And that's going to be the VIX. All right, I'll leave it there. Ideas in the room, not on YouTube. I'll be here. Mike V. Relax. You know what I mean? At this point, chill out. Have some pride in the fills. Don't go chasing. It's not like Taylor Swift concerts are on sale and everybody's paying up. And chill out, man. It's always another trade. Smooth, slow. Stay in your lane. Okay? Job is to make money, not be right. There you go. McDonald's news. More freaking Twilo. More McDonald's people. McDonald's making more people sick. DHR, TradeGATEHub. DHR is right. All right, here it is. He's right. SPY is still above the gap in the 200. One day doesn't make a reversal. The VIX told you. That was profit taking. At least that move. DHR, home builders on watch. Homies on the short side. Danar is a tough stock to trade. But, Lennar, right there, gold. DZH, I think, in earnings after the close I saw. They're all good. What are you going to do? You know what I mean? You want to short Toll Brothers when it's down when it's down 12 points, not when it's, or something like that. So, be tactical. Amazon, here's the number one, Twilo. They're pounding into this thing. I'm in trouble. Amazon, stock of the day. Amazon, stock of the day. Amazon, Microsoft, number 2. Futures ripping back. I just had this BE too. I went to cover this bastard. This move cost me a lot of money. Kava, Sound, Rocket Labs, Instacart. Nobody wants an Instacart. All right, Mike V, cheers. Thanks for tuning in. OS looks okay. What is this thing breaking high at the end of the day? What is this thing with some decent volume? OS, not interested. Cheers.